Simplify. Here we have the product of two binomials, 4x plus 3y times 2x minus y. And I'm going to use the FOIL method to perform this multiplication. The FOIL method indicates that we multiply the first terms first. So 4x times 2x is 8x squared. Next we'll multiply our outer terms. 4x times a negative y is a negative 4xy. Then the inner terms, 3y times 2x is a positive 6. I'm going to write this as xy in alphabetical order. And lastly, 3y times a negative y is a negative 3y squared. We've performed the multiplication. Now let's combine our like terms resulting from our inner and outer products. So this becomes an 8x squared, negative 4xy, and a positive 6xy is a positive 2xy minus 3y squared. So our simplified product form of the binomials 4x plus 3y times 2x minus y is 8x squared plus 2xy minus 3y squared.